Hello and welcome to another video. On May 21st, Bitcoin briefly surged past $70,000, bringing it within a touching distance of its all-time highs of $73,000. Despite this impressive milestone, Bitcoin miners like Marathon Digital Holdings remain significantly below their peak valuations. So, the recent surge in Bitcoin price highlights the robust demand for the cryptocurrency. However, the lag in miner stock prices, particularly for companies like Marathon Digital, suggests there may be a significant upside potential for investors willing to take the risk. So, if you look at the Marathon Digital recent earnings, it showed mixed first quarter result, exceeding expectations on profitability but falling short on revenue. The company posted a net income of $337 million, more than double from the previous quarter, and set a new quarterly revenue record of over $165 million. However, the bullish sentiment towards Marathon is boosted by the recovery of one of its previously shut down mining sites, which is expected to enhance the company's performance in the coming months. Moreover, the broader Bitcoin market remains strong, with high prices persisting despite some volatility. This environment benefits miners like Marathon, whose revenue is closely tied to Bitcoin's value. One of the key catalysts driving Marathon's recent performance is the news of significant capital inflows into spot Bitcoin ETFs. This influx of capital has contributed to Bitcoin's impressive upward movement and returned Bitcoin miners like Mara. So I think investors are increasingly viewing Bitcoin miners like Marathon Digital as indirect plays on the AI boom. The rising demand for AI aligns with the infrastructure capabilities of Bitcoin miners, presenting a potential dual-purpose opportunity for companies like Marathon Digital. So currently, Marathon Digital is one of the best performing stocks in the crypto circle, with projections suggesting its price could rise towards $35. As the market continues to evolve, Marathon's digital strategic positioning in both the crypto and AI sectors could offer substantial growth potential. I hope you liked this video, and if you do have any questions, do let me know in the comments below.